Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Help Scout and ClickUp. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new conversation is added in Help Scout, it will automatically create a task in ClickUp. Now Help Scout is an awesome help desk software and ClickUp is a project management tool. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Help Scout to ClickUp. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Help Scout and ClickUp. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Help Scout and ClickUp. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Help Scout to ClickUp. Help Scout to ClickUp. Okay, so just click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Help Scout? Help Scout. And in the trigger event, how about we make it as new conversation? Okay, so new conversation is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new conversation happens, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like new customer, tag updated, conversation assigned, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new conversation is made in Help Scout. Okay, just click on Connect with Help Scout. In the new credentials, again click on Connect with Help Scout. Okay, so it is asking for authorization. Just click on Authorize. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Help Scout to Pabbly Connect. So to do that, just click on save and send test request. Okay, so basically the API response is now showing that we have integrated Help Scout to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new conversation happens in Help Scout, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let's go to Help Scout and let's create a new conversation. Okay, so we are assigning this conversation to this guy called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 can be okay, and the subject is about capturing gold treasures. Okay, wait a minute, sorry, capturing gold treasures. Okay, and the found a sunken treasure, the bottom of ocean. Okay, just click on send. Okay, so in Help Scout, we have created a conversation, and this conversation was assigned to a guy called as 𝗪𝗵𝗆 199391, and let's see, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Help Scout, has it captured this data or not? So let's have a look. Yes, the data has been captured, and this is the subject, that is capturing gold treasure, and this is the description, basically the message: found a sunken treasure at the bottom of the ocean. So let's see what are the rest of the details. Let's scroll down, and this is the email address @𝗪𝗵𝗆1991@gmail.com. Okay, so basically we have got the data that in from the conversation in Help Scout. Now we have to sync in this data to ClickUp to create a task. So to do that, just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, since we are interested in creating a task in ClickUp, let's make the app as ClickUp. Okay, this one. Now in the action event, we just want to create a task. So let's make it as create a task. Now there are many action events like create a folder, create list, create checklist, create a task comment, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a task in ClickUp. Okay, so just connect with ClickUp. So in the new credentials, we have to figure out the API token. Okay, so to get the API token, let's have a visit to our ClickUp account. So this is my ClickUp account, and here let's have a look at the bottom side, left side bottom. Click this and you will find the option called as apps. Click this. Okay, so this is the API token you want. Simply copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so we have filled in the API token. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is we are going to sync in the data that we have received from Help Scout to create a task in ClickUp. But before we sync in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the workspace, it is showing it as 𝗪𝗆𝗆 workspace. So what is that? So basically, let me show you. Let me go back in my ClickUp account. And as you can see, the profile it is showing it as 𝗪𝗆𝗆s workspace. So there is only one workspace, that is 𝗪𝗆𝗆s workspace. So that is why it is being reflected here. Okay. Now in the space, it is showing it as Pabbly. This is because actually I have a ton of spaces, and one of them is Pabbly. Okay. So when we expand this, so it is showing all the other spaces I have: Pabbly, DLFG, chunk, and space. Okay, so these are all the spaces that I have. So basically my point is anything that is present here is being reflected here because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with ClickUp. Okay, so we want to create a task, let's say in Pabbly. Now in the folder name, it is showing only one folder, that is integrations. This is because in Pabbly there is only one folder, that is integrations. Okay. Similarly, we have the list as list. Now there are many lists. I have list to integration, Calendly invitees, and so on. For example, these are all the list I have: list to integration, Calendly invitees, Todoist, GitLab issues, Acuity, scheduling, Google Calendar, and so on. So basically, if I create a list here, okay, let me create a list. I'm going to create a list. Okay, so as you can see, a list called as list3 has been created. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. Okay, so when we refresh this, you can expect to find the list 3. So my point is any variation that is brought here will be reflected here also. Okay, so now in the task name, we are going to create the task by assigning a task name. So in the task name, we are just going to click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. So in the task name, we are just going to enter the subject, that is capturing gold treasures. Now in the description, we can enter the description or the message, that was sunken treasure or something. It was okay, found a sunken treasure. Okay, this one. Now in the assignee email, it's basically your email address. Now in the tags, if you want, you can enter some tags, but make sure you enter it inside a pair of double quotes. So there's a pair of double quotes, and inside the pair of double quotes, we are going to enter something like task, or how about we make it as Help Scout. Okay, that would do. Now the priority, let's keep it as low. Okay, it's not that important. So now in the due date, we don't have any particular date, so I'm just copying this skip. Okay, so copying this code and just pasting it here. Similarly, for the start date, I'm just basically copying this. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, I'm just copying this and pasting it here. Okay, so basically we have entered all the details that we want. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given. So let's have a look in ClickUp whether we have a task called as what was the task name? Okay, so the task name was capturing gold treasure, and it was in what was the list? Okay, it's in the list. Okay, so this is the list, and this is the task. Okay, collect. No, it's not present here. So let me scroll down. Okay, so it's present in not here. Let's scroll down. Yes, at the bottom you will find the list. Okay, find the task, that is capturing gold treasure. Excellent. So the presence of this task shows that we have successfully integrated Help Scout to ClickUp with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So this is my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm minimizing my action window, and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Help Scout to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to ClickUp. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Help Scout and ClickUp. Okay, so how about we make one more conversation. Okay, so this time the conversation is to this person, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 Okay, and the subject is capturing Godzilla. Okay, oh sorry, capturing Godzilla, and the description is Godzilla is dangerous. Okay, just click on send. Okay, so let's have a look in ClickUp whether we have a task. Yes, we have a task. Let me refresh this. So let's see whether we have a task called as capturing Godzilla. Yes, we have a task called as capturing Godzilla. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new conversation is made in Help Scout, it will be reflected as a task in ClickUp.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.